If you're a day trader or any sort of trader whatsoever, you need to be paying attention to the important data release news events that always come out every week. The perfect website to tell you about these news related events is Forex Factory. All you guys have to do is go to the calendar in forexfactory.com, and then you just go and hit the green filter button. You want to click all the expected impact folder news. So that includes the red folder news, which is the most important. Then we have the orange folder news, which is the second most important. Then we have the yellow folder news, which is the third most important. And then we have the silver folder news, which is not that important. We have the currency set to USD since we are trading with the New York markets. And we have all event types checked off so we can see all the events that are happening that are relevant towards us. So guys, today is Monday, so we didn't really have any red folder news except for the FOMC members speaking. But later this week, from Tuesday to Friday, we do have a pretty heavy week news. For example, at 8:30, right before the market opens on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we have core retail sales month over month and retail sales month over month. We also have orange folder news, which is the employment cost index quarter over quarter. For Wednesday at 8:30 a.m., we have the average hourly earnings month over month coming out. We have the non-farm employment change, and we also have the employment rate coming out at 8:30 right before market opens. So Wednesday will be a pretty news heavy day. On Thursday, we have the unemployment claims coming out at 8:30 a.m. So again, right before market opens. And on Friday at 8:30 a.m., we have core CPI month over month, CPI month over month, and CPI year over year. So you guys can see that this week is a pretty news heavy week in terms of data releases. So you should always be paying attention to these data releases because these releases do have an effect sometimes on the market and inject a little bit of volatility within the market.